Good morning, everyone. Today, as you have seen, the topic is cash management, or you can say cash in hand. Whenever we have some cash in hand, how we have to handle and what is the advantage, what is the pro and cons related to having cash in hand like 10,000, 10 lakhs, 10 crore, 100 CR. Okay, so whenever we have cash in hand, how we have to manage and what kind of the precaution we have to take. So in future, if any department, any government department is coming to my home and they got some cash in hand in my accounts, in my books, in my house or anywhere in my business location, so they cannot levy interest and penalty on me. If we have satisfied their requirement, we have satisfied their condition, so it is 100% sure the department cannot levy interest and penalty on me. Even we have the enough cash, or you can say 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 1 CR, 2 CR, 100 CR. So today we are going to discuss ki in some scenario, if there is a requirement to hold cash in hand, how you can prevent yourself from income tax department, GST department, or some other department like ED, XYZ, CBI. Okay. If you have any practical exposure, if you have any practical issue related to having the cash in hand, so you are most welcome. You can ask any question in between. And before starting, if you have any question related to cash in hand, so you can note down in diary, you can note down in the mobile, you can note down on laptop. So at end of session, we will have the question answer, and every question of yours will be sort out, will be solved. Now, so today we are going to discuss about how much we can have the cash in hand, and if we have the cash in hand like 10,000, 10 lakh, 10 CR and 100 CR. So only to having the cash doesn't mean, it means ki once I have the cash in hand, so I have to make the payment, I have to uh, create some expenditure. So we will understand ki which kind of the cash transaction we can create, we can make the payment. So department will not ask any question to me or anything. So that is the one and two thing. And third, that is the most important thing. Income tax department, if they are sending the notice, they are coming for the raid or anything, along with the GST department and some other like CBI or ED. So if what kind of the scenario can happen, so today we are going to discuss each and everything. First, we will discuss how we can create cash in hand, and suppose that we have cash in hand itself, so what kind of the cash transaction we can do, and at end we will discuss ki if we have the some cash in hand, so how we can prevent from income tax department, how can we can prevent from the GST department, how we can prove, we will provide the some proof or some evidence to ED or CBI department, so they will not create charge sheet against us. So that is the whole and sole session for today. So first of all, we have to understand ki how we receive cash, how cash in hand can be created. Like we have some income, that is, you can say ki we are receiving cash in hand. So our income, suppose that I'm running a tuition classes, I'm giving the tuition to the class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or class 10 plus 2 or graduate student, or I'm calling, I have the offline classes, I'm calling them in my home and I'm giving the classes. So might be possible here I can receive some cash payment, might be possible I can receive through any wallet, I can receive from any UPI payment method apps, along with I can also have the some cash income. But once I'm doing my job, I'm into any job, whether it is a private job or government job, any PSU job or anywhere. So it is 100% sure whatever I have salary, it can be 15,000, it can be 50,000, it can be 5 lakh rupees per month. Any kind of the salary that will be credited in my books of in my bank. It means if I have the cash income, then there is the one way where I can have the some cash in hand. That I have given the example to you. Ki I am running the tuition center. I am providing the tuition. Then I can have some cash in hand. But I am into the job. It is very rare. And if you are into the practice or you are doing the some businesses where you have B2B transaction, like one business to another business, so in that scenario also it's very less chances कि you can generate any cash income. Reason is that you are providing services or you are giving goods to any other business. Other business has the same kind of the problem where they cannot make the cash payment. Then that is the reason I am saying when you have the business to business transaction, it's very rare chances कि you will generate any cash income. But when you have the B2C, business to customer, direct customer, as I'm providing the tuition center, I'm running the tuition center or I'm providing the tuition. In that scenario, there is some chances I can receive cash income. Another, when I have the real estate transaction, suppose that I have to buy or I have to sell uh, any real estate. It can be land, it can be flat, it can be anything related to real estate. In that scenario, I I I need some cash or I receive some cash. Suppose that I have to buy, and any real estate is the price fair market price is approx 70 to 80 lakh rupees. In that scenario, if it is within the apartment within the society, might be possible 80 to 90% or 95% value will be put on the stamp paper. So only 5% or 10% I have to make the in cash. But I'm purchasing any land, I'm purchasing any flat, I'm purchasing any villa floor that is not in any society. In that scenario, in the today's scenario also, we have to pay around 30 to 40 or 50% in cash or 50% through the bank or through the bank transaction. So that is the one scenario jahan par we need cash. Once we receive the cash income we are receiving, or we have to do some real estate transaction like sale or purchase. In both scenario, when I am going to purchase, then I have to make the payment. So I need cash, or I'm selling, then I receive cash because other person is giving cash to me. Third scenario, in case of the marriage or other family time, we receive some cash or we make expenditure in cash. Like in marriages, some transaction between bride and groom family association is there are some giving or there are some parties getting. So there is the one transaction, and another when we are making payment to like टेंट वाले को देना है और we are making payment to any other person. In that scenario, we need some cash because tent wala is saying, sir, I don't have bank or I don't want to take into the bank. Reason is that I have to pay the GST, I have to pay income tax. So please provide me cash because I have to buy the vegetable, I have to buy the some other goods, I have to make the payment to labor or उनका कोई होता नहीं है. But once I receive, so that will be the in my preview of the taxation. So that reason I need cash. So if they are saying, or they are also giving the such kind of the condition कि sir, if you are making the 3 lakhs to me, 3 lakhs to me in bank, तो इसके ऊपर मैं GST लगा दूंगा 18%, और you are paying 3 lakhs into cash, तो I will not charge any GST. तो what we are thinking, अरे this is the marriage and whatever the bill I will take as the GST, I am not going to claim anywhere. So why I will take the GST, and why it is a need कि 3 lakhs के ऊपर 18% that is the approx 54,000 मैं additional expenditure करूँ. तो in that scenario we say okay, we will provide every expenditure or every amount whatever you need into cash. तो ये एक scenario होता है जहां पर we need some cash. Or in some other scenario, some in your other need, like in case of the emergency, suppose that you don't have the medical insurance, or in that you have the medical insurance, but your where you have admitted or your family member is admitted, that hospital is saying we don't have the cashless facility, please pay 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs into cash. So in that kind of the scenario, you need some cash. There is the one emergency and any other thing. Suppose that you got the some business losses or something uh, some fire in your home. So in that scenario, you need some cash. Reason is that he immediate on immediate basis you have to make the some expenditure, all those things. So in that is the scenario where you require cash. So that is the scene we have seen this kind of the scenario, or might be possible some other reason that I have not explained to you, that is as per your need. So now we will understand and think in that 3 to 4 scenario we need cash, and suppose that we have generated cash, and in between department has come or someone has given the uh, uh, information to department or government of India, if this particular person having the 10 lakh rupees cash or 20 lakh rupees cash or 50 lakh rupees cash or 1 CR, yeah, 100 CR in cash. And that particular time before making payment to any other party, income tax department or any department has come our home or business location, and they have find out, and they received, let's assume, 1 crore cash in my home. So they can levy any kind of the penalty to me. So that it is the most important thing to understand how we have to prepare ourselves, so department cannot levy interest or penalty on us. So as I have told to you, cash in hand, how we can create cash in hand. One, there is the one scenario where we receive income in cash. Another scenario, we have withdraw cash from bank through ATM or through bank. Suppose that we have visited bank or we have given the check of the 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakh rupees, or we have withdrawn or through the ATM. In ATM, there is the limit. Like limit is 25,000 in a single day, or some bank is giving the 50,000 per day. So that is the limit. So from ATM, you can withdraw cash with a limit. So within the 10 days or 30 days, you can generate, you can withdraw 25,000 per day from ATM. So you can create 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, whatever you need and in a cash. Or if you have visited your home branch or any branch where your bank is providing the facility to you, and you can withdraw 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 CR, whatever the amount you want to withdraw, you can. And last one, suppose that you are going to do your marriage. Okay, in that time, some relative, some friends is giving some cash gift to you. So that is the scenario. In that 3 scenario, you can receive cash in hand. So now we have to understand that this is the 3 things where cash is received. So now we will understand what is the scenario and what is the situation in each and every location. So cash income, as I have explained to you, suppose that I have the shop, I have general store shop, I have medical shop, or any kind of the shop, I have the hotel where I am providing the food, I have the boutique, any kind of the shop we have. In that scenario, it is business to customer, जहां पर direct consumer is coming to my shop and they are making payment to me. So in that scenario, they can make payment through credit card, they can make payment through UPI, they can make payment through any wallet, or they can make payment in cash. And any customer is paying in cash, so I cannot deny, I cannot say no. Cash in hand is difficult for me, so please don't make payment in cash. We cannot deny. It means if I have the nature of business, like I have the shop related to any shop. Okay, in that case, I can have the some cash income. Second, if I have the direct connection to customer, as I have discussed to you, shop का है, or I am providing the some coaching classes where I am directly related to in user, like individual. Okay, in that scenario, what will happen? They will make payment into the cash. Suppose that I am the finance person. Okay, and I have created the one camp where I have given the offer. Everyone in this society, if they are coming uh, today, I have the one option. I will file return in 1,000. Okay. In that scenario, any person can make payment through UPI, any person can make payment through any wallet, and there is some possibility that some person can make payment into cash. So when we are providing any service or goods direct to consumer, okay, so there is some chances where we can receive some cash. And in the last, like I have given to you, I am providing the tuition income. Suppose that I am into job, and after coming from my job, in home I'm providing some tuition income, or Saturday Sunday I'm free. So in to utilize benefit of the Saturday Sunday, I'm providing the tuition to my society or nearby student. In that scenario, they will provide cash to me. So this is the situation where you can earn some cash. So might be possible you can have the some other kind of the scenario where you can earn some cash. So if you have, please explain to me, so I can give the some direction to you. If you are getting cash income in that mode or in that nature, how you have to handle your cash. Bank withdrawal, as I have told to you, when we have visited bank and we can withdraw 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 50 lakhs, any amount we can withdraw from our bank. So that is the we can have cash in hand through the bank withdrawal. And suppose that I need some cash and I have asked with to my friend, he Amit, I need loan of the 20,000 rupees. Is 20,000, 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs. Well, okay, I have some cash, I provide to you. So suppose that I have received 10 lakh rupees from my brother, from my friend, or from anyone. 10 lakh rupees loan I have received in cash. Okay, it means right now I have 10 lakh rupees in cash in hand. Or abhi ki abhi, suppose that my brother or my friends has given 10 lakh rupees to me, and I have to make the expenditure after 2 and 3 days, because in my home there is the marriage going on, and I had need of the 10 lakh rupees. So my friend or my brother has provided to me. In between,
I think Manish is having some issue with the electricity, so he's joining back again. So.
sorry everyone, I have the some electricity issue in my home. So now I'm the connected, and I'm going to off my camera region. There is some light issue. Okay, just give me 1 minute. Samana ji, please make me co-host.
Yes, Manish, give me 1 second, please.
Yeah.
You can share your screen now.
Yeah. Just 1 second. Yeah. So we have discussed ki when we have marriage in my home and I have asked some amount from my brother, from my uh, friends, and he has or she has given some cash in hand to me like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 50 lakhs, 1 CR. And before making expenditure, some department has visited my home. They have read my home and they received 1 CR in cash. So that is the difficult situation. Reason, as per income tax, you cannot receive loan in cash. So that we will discuss in the later scenario. So that we are discussing how you can generate your cash. Like we have discussed, we can have the cash income, we can have the income from the tuition, we can have the income from a business to customer. And there is some more example, like we can withdraw cash from a bank, we can have the ATM receiving, and again we have received loan from anybody. And suppose that I have given the loan to my friend, to my family, to anyone like 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs, and now they are saying, yeah, I will repay only cash. Suppose so, so when we are receiving, when I have given the loan to anyone like 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees, and that particular person is saying, Ki Manish, I will repay money only in cash. So in that scenario, if I deny, so what will happen? I will not get the cash in hand. I will not receive my money. So in that scenario, what we do? Okay, yaar, whatever you have the situation, please give me money. So ये चीज होने के बाद I have received the 20 lakh rupees in cash because I have given the loan. Now they have repaid to me. And in between department is coming. So this is a very difficult situation because we cannot explain. In past, I have given loan to Mr. XYZ and now I have received in cash. So this kind of the difficult situation we are facing in our life. Now, cash gift. In and during the marriage, we are seeing lots of person is giving like 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, 21,000, 51,000, whatever whatever we have the relationship with that donor. They are giving the some cash, they are giving the some gold, etc. All those things. So suppose that in marriage, I if I got very good gift amount like 50, like 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. In collectively, we have received 1 CR in marriage as a gift. Then what will happen? So this is the situation where it will create problem for me. So as a cash gift we can receive in marriage, in the kid's birthday. Suppose that uh, I, I have arranged the birthday party, and in this birthday party, some relative or some friends has given the 5,000, 10,000 rupees for everyone. So it might be possible I can recollect or I can collect some like 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, and that is the uncounted money because it is not. We have not paid any income tax. We have not paid any GST. So this is the situation where we receive cash through gift. And in any other family occasion like marriage anniversary or any other thing, so this is the situation where we can receive some cash. So now we have understand ki how we can generate cash through income, through withdrawal, and last one through cash gift. So this is the three kind situation जहां पर we receive cash. So this is the one situation. Now your question is that you are saying, Manish, ki today topic is the cash management, and you are just describing the cash accrual. So first of all, we have not understand ki how we can accrue income, how we can accrue cash. So we cannot, you cannot understand what kind of the difficulty you can face. Okay. Now, suppose that you have cash in hand like 1 crore, 10 crore, 50 lakhs, 1 CR, any amount. What is the cost? First cost is the storage cost. Suppose that I have 1 crore rupees in my home, definitely I have to, I will be the mentally occupied where I will relocate my 1 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 50 lakh rupees. Reason is that I have to create safe for a safe side from that particular cash. Reason I have to, might be possible, I have to buy the some additional almirah, that is the safety through the safety point, or we have seen in the various film, or we have listened, we have read in newspaper or any news channel. If income tax department has taken the cash from wall, they have taken the they have detected some cash in the bathroom. So for that I have to create the some additional cost. Suppose that I have to keep cash in wall, or I have to cash uh, um, in you can say roof or uh, false ceiling. Okay, so definitely it is the cost. So that we have to understand ki when we are creating cash in hand, when we have to keep cash in my home, so I have to pay some storage cost along that है, चोरी का डर है डेफिनेटली. अगर सपोज दैट इन माय होम देयर इज द 50 लाख रुपीस, 10 लाख रुपीस, 1 करोड़ रुपीस इन कैश, और मैं कुछ दिनों के लिए आई हैव गॉन आउट ऑफ टाउन, घूमने के लिए चला गया, या ड्यू टू सम इमरजेंसी आई हैव टू विजिटेड. सपोज दैट me and my wife is only in my family, and my wife is hospitalized. In that scenario, definitely, whether in my home, whether it is a 50 lakh rupees or 100 cr, okay, I have to go at any cost to hospital. हो सकता है मैं हॉस्पिटल में हूँ, इधर चोर आया और घर का पूरा सफाई करके चला जाए. देन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैंने स्टोरेज पर भी कॉस्ट किया, इसके बावजूद भी मैं चोरी से नहीं बच पाया. थर्ड, फियर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. दिस इज द थर्ड प्रॉब्लम, जहां पर इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट, ईडी डिपार्टमेंट, सीबीआई डिपार्टमेंट कैन कम एंड दे कैन ask question to me, Manish, please tell me what is the source of income and whether you have paid the taxes or not. So this kind of the problem we have to face when we are getting, we have the cash in hand. Another cause, suppose that I have 1 crore or 500 crore in my home. Okay, so cash we cannot invest anywhere, we cannot buy insurance, we cannot buy any mutual fund, we cannot invest into equity with through the cash. So it means, or we cannot deposit into bank, because when we have deposited into bank, I have to give the source of income. So it means whatever the money in is in cash in hand in my home, in my business location, in my godown, okay, we cannot further reinvest it to earn money. तो दैट इज कॉल्ड कि पैसा से पैसा कमाया जाता है, कि व्हेन वी हैव द कैश इन हैंड, तो हम पैसा से पैसा नहीं कमा सकते हैं. रीजन, whenever the location, whenever the source of income, we have to invest everywhere. It is connected with PAN, everywhere it is connected with the Aadhaar. And once I have declared, or I have buy any mutual fund or equity or any other investment, I have to give the uh, I have to say the source of income, and along with the source of income, I have to make payment income tax as well as GST. No tracking. Suppose that I have given the loan to Mr. X, to my friend, to my brother, or anyone, like 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, 1 crore rupees as a loan. There is no tracking. Suppose that कल को वो deny कर जाता है, I have given the loan to my friend, मैंने 20,000 का कैश में लोन दिया था, and after 3 to 4 months I have asked. उससे पहले क्या हुआ था, I have given the loan of the 50,000 rupees through the bank to him, and I have asked him, please return my whole loan, 50,000, whatever the money I have paid through as the bank, and now I have paid 2 months back 20,000 as cash. So I am asking 71,000. Okay, my friend has denied. He told me you have given only 51,000 to me and I have never received 20,000 from you. In that scenario, अगर मैं उससे उस particular time पर लड़ाई कर लेता, if I have the fight, I have the argument with him, तो might be possible मैं ये 51,000 भी lose कर सकता था, और for that I can go court कि Mr. X has taken 51,000 through my bank and now he is not returning. हो सकता है उस लोन अमाउंट उस लीगल में 51 से ज्यादा मेरा खर्च हो जाता. इन दैट सिनेरियो मैंने बोला भाई वट एवर यू वांट टू गिव प्लीज गिव मी टू मी, एंड आई हैव टोल्ड टू हिम कि वट एवर अमाउंट यू आर गिविंग टू मी प्लीज आप मेरे को बैंक में ही दो, ताकि कल को यू कैन नॉट क्लेम और यू कैन नॉट ब्लेम टू मी कि आई हैव रिटर्न इनटू कैश. मैंने वो 51 लिया और उससे अब मेरी उसकी और मेरी दोस्ती आज के उस दिन के बाद नहीं है, बट दोस्ती नहीं है तो उसको तो 20,000 का बेनिफिट हो गया ना, मेरा तो लूज हो गया ना. So that I am saying with my experience, कि when you have to make any cash expenditure or when you have to give the anyone cash loan XYZ कुछ भी advance, okay, in that scenario you have to make through the bank, otherwise it will create problem for you. Okay, so as you have seen कि there is no tracking and loss of money, fear of trust, that I have given the example to you कि लोगों को लगता है कि ट्रस्ट छूट जाएगा, क्या बात है, मेरे पास तो 10, 20, 50,000, लाख, 2 लाख की तो चलो 20,000 था, अगर ये गलती से मैंने 2 लाख, 4 लाख, 5 लाख रुपया दिया हो तो दैट वाज द माय लूज. एंड सपोज दैट एक और सिचुएशन जो मेरे एक क्लाइंट के साथ हुआ था, ही हैज गिवन द 5 लाख रुपीज टू हिज एम्प्लॉय टू मेकिंग द होम, लेकिन दैट ही हैज गिवन थ्रू द कैश, क्योंकि उनके पास कैश होता था. ही हैज गिवन, कोरोना में उस एम्प्लॉय का डेथ हो गया एंड आफ्टर दैट ही वांट टू रिकवर, क्योंकि उस टाइम वो था कोरोना से पहले उन्होंने 5-6 महीना पहले दिया था, और ही हैज 6 मंथ के बाद आई विल डिडक्टिंग फ्रॉम योर सैलरी. अब वो एम्प्लॉय नहीं है, उसकी वाइफ और बच्चे ने डिनाई कर दिया, बोला नहीं वी हैव नॉट रिसीव मनी, तो वो मेरे क्लाइंट का बैठे बैठाए 5 लाख रुपए का चूना लग गया. दैट आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग आई एम गिविंग द सजेशन टू यू, व्हेन यू हैव टू गिव लोन, when you have to give advance to anyone, whether it is your trusty person, whether it is a relative, whether it is a employee, कोई भी हो, you have to make पेमेंट थ्रू द बैंक. अगर आप कैश में देते हो तो ये 2 फैक्टर आप याद रखना, might be possible you can face in later in near future. Inflation, you are keeping cash in hand 1 lakh rupees, 1 crore, 100 crore in your home, and inflation every day is coming with a 4%, 5%, 6%, 10%, whatever the inflation is coming in society. आपका पैसा वही 100 के 100 करोड़ ही रहेगा, लेकिन एवरी डे इन्फ्लेशन इज गोइंग अप. तो ये चीज भी आपको ध्यान रखना है कि व्हेन यू आर हैविंग कैश इन हैंड तो इन्फ्लेशन से इम्पैक्ट करेगा आपका सिचुएशन. नाउ अब प्रॉब्लम आता है कि once you have the cash in hand and department has caught कि भाई मनीष आपके पास तो 25 करोड़ रुपया है, प्लीज गिव मी द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, कि आपने ये 25 करोड़ रुपया कमाया कैसे. एंड आफ्टर दैट जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट विल कम कि ओके मनीष यू हैव अर्न 25 करोड़ रुपीज, इफ इट इज द सैलरी इनकम तो 26 एस में आ जाता. नाउ इट इज नॉट ए सैलरी इनकम, इट इज द 100% योर. नाउ it can be your gift income, it can be your business income. So whatever the situation, you have to pay the GST along with income tax department will come. भाई साहब आपने GST दे दिया 18% प्लस इंटरेस्ट प्लस पेनल्टी, अब इनकम टैक्स भी आप 35% दे दो. तो when any department will come, so they will ask source of income, whether you have provided any tuition income, whether you have running any business, whether you are running any manufacturing, or what kind of the business you are running. So you have earned 25 CR, 100 CR, 1 CR, 50 lakh rupees in cash. And after that, GST and income tax department will ask their share. भाई साहब आपने अर्न किया, बहुत अच्छी बात है, आपने सोर्स ऑफ इनकम भी बता दिया, इट्स वेरी नाइस कि आपने ट्यूशन पढ़ा के कमाया या फिर यू रिसीव इन द कैश एज ए गिफ्ट. चलो गिफ्ट भी कंफर्म हो गया. जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट विल से कि ठीक है देयर इज नो जीएसटी ऑन गिफ्ट, इनकम टैक्स तो दे दो. देन ओके, सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, अगर आपके हाथ में कैश इन हैंड 1 CR है और ये प्रूफ हो जाता है, डिपार्टमेंट आस्किंग सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, और आपने बता दिया कि दिस इज द सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, लाइक आई हैव प्रोवाइडेड द ट्यूशन, I have provided the tuition I received from various student. और एक आपने लिस्ट भी बना के रखा हुआ है एक्सेल पर या ट्यूशन फी का. You have created the some cash receipt where some person is some student is giving 5,000, some student is giving 10,000, some student is giving 2,000, और इस तरीके से you have the whole list और वो पूरा 1 CR हो जाता. तो that is your source of income. Department will say okay, we are satisfied, you have earned. Even you can produce some photographs of your coaching classes. देखो जी, every day I am giving the classes to 10 student, 50 student, 100 student. Very good, no doubt. Now question arises, GST department will say कि above turnover of the 20 lakh rupees you have to pay 18% GST on the service. Now 1 करोड़ मिला है, you have not filed any GST, तो आप इस 1 करोड़ के ऊपर पहले आप 18% से 18 लाख रुपये you have to pay the GST. and you have not, क्योंकि ये आज का इनकम नहीं है, दिस इज द इनकम ऑफ द 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, या might be possible 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It means you have escaped to filing GST. इस पर आप इंटरेस्ट प्लस पेनल्टी दे दो और इंटरेस्ट प्लस पेनल्टी अप्रॉक्स 100% हो जाएगा. इट मीन्स कि 1 CR you have the cash in hand, तो 18 लाख रुपए is the GST amount and 18 लाख इंटरेस्ट और पेनल्टी, मतलब 36 लाख का GST का आएगा. और माइट भी पॉसिबल जेल जाना हो तो एक अलग सिनेरियो है, दैट वी विल डिस्कस लेटर. इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट विल कम. ठीक है भाई साहब, आपने 1 करोड़ कमाए, बहुत अच्छी बात है. आपने 36 लाख रुपए GST डिपार्टमेंट दे दिया, दैट्स वेरी गुड. नाउ प्लीज पे मी 35% इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट प्लस इंटरेस्ट प्लस पेनल्टी. पेनल्टी इज दैट if it is the income of related to last year, last to last year, but you have not disclosed in your ITR, so you are escaping of income. So whatever money has been saved from your home, उसका 100% पेनल्टी लगेगा. मतलब 1 करोड़ का आया, पहले 35%, 35 लाख रुपया इनकम टैक्स. नाउ यू हैव टू पे द इंटरेस्ट दैट विद रिलेटेड व्हाटएवर यू हैव डिस्क्लोज कि ये इस ईयर का इनकम है या लास्ट ईयर का इनकम है या लास्ट टू लास्ट ईयर का इनकम है. तो आप मान लो कि 15 to 25% इंटरेस्ट आएगा, तो 35 लाख का 25 से 30% इंटरेस्ट आ गया, 15 से 20 लाख, तो 50 लाख ये हो गया. फिर कहेगा जो 1 करोड़ रुपया मिला उसका 1 करोड़ रुपया पेनल्टी दे दो, तो तकरीबन 1.5 करोड़ रुपया आपको देना पड़ेगा. तो 1.5 करोड़ ये और 36-40 लाख रुपया ये, तो यू आर हैविंग कैश इन हैंड कितना, 1 करोड़, और आपने टोटल गवर्नमेंट को 2 करोड़ से 2 करोड़ के आसपास आपने दे दिया. तो नाउ इट इज अप टू यू कि आप कैश इन हैंड कितना रखना चाहते हो, क्यों रखना चाहते हो और क्या करना चाहते हो. नाउ एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि कैश ट्रांजेक्शन 100% पेनल्टी है और कैश डिसअलाउ. सपोज दैट यू आर रनिंग एनी बिजनेस, और इस बिजनेस में व्हाट विल हैपन कि आपने कोई सर्विसेज परचेज किया और you have purchased laptop, you have purchased computer, you have purchased any mobile, 50,000, 1 lakh or anything. So cash man department has told कि if any expenditure, any goods exceeding 10,000 rupees, that is not, you cannot pay in cash. If you have paid in cash, that will be the 100% disallow. It means कि मैंने अपने बिजनेस के लिए 50,000 का एक लैपटॉप खरीदा है और I have made payment into cash. In that scenario, income tax department will not consider as a expenditure. वो कहेगा कि this is not expenditure related to your business, or this expenditure cannot be deducted from your income. So 100% you have to make the income tax department as a penalty or income tax. So expenditure is disallowed. कैश पेमेंट, कैश रिसीट, और मैंने बता दिया था लोन गिवन और टेकन, दैट इज द सिचुएशन ऑफ द कैश ट्रांजेक्शन. नाउ व्हेन यू आर रनिंग एनी बिजनेस एंड यू आर मेकिंग पेमेंट मोर देन 10,000, यू आर नॉट अलाउड. सपोज दैट मैंने आई हैव बाय अ स्टेशनरी फॉर माय बिजनेस और आई हैव टू मेक द पेमेंट ऑफ द 12,000 रुपीज एंड आई हैव टेकन द वन बिल. Income tax department is saying that there is any bill and that is the more than 10,000 rupees, you cannot make payment in cash. If you have made the cash, so that expenditure is not considered as your business expenditure and that we will disallow. It means कि मैं cash in hand रख के करूंगा क्या, because when we are doing the business, so we cannot show as the expenditure. हाँ, cash I have received without counted, or I can make a payment without counted. But if I want to take expenditure into business, that is not allowed. Okay, more than 10,000 rupees I cannot make payment as into cash. Single party ko we cannot make payment in a single day 10,000 rupees. Suppose that I have purchased any goods from Mr. X 1 lakh rupees, I cannot make the uh, cash payment to him. Reason is that department is saying, government is saying, now a scenario, every person has the banking facility. So why you are making the cash payment? Why not you have transfer through net banking? Why not you have given check? Why not you have make the UPI payment? So department is saying when you are making the cash payment more than 10,000 to single party, single day, we will not disallow to you. We will not allow to you. That will the disallow. So that is the one scenario ki once we have the cash in hand, we cannot make the payment. We suppose that I have the mobile shop, or my mobile cost is the 50,000 rupees. So up to 50,000, I can sell my mobile without having the PAN of the any other person. Okay, that is the allowed. But my cost is above 50,000. Suppose that I have the iPhone Studio, or my iPhone 13, 14, 15 is the more than 50,000 rupees. So when any person has visited my shop and they saying, sir, this is the 60,000 in cash, please give me iPhone 13, 14, yeah, 15. I will say I can make I can give iPhone 13, 15 or 15 in cash, but I will take your PAN card because I have to report to Government of India. That particular person will say, sorry, sir, I will not give my PAN card. So department has given the restriction on receiving above the 50,000 rupees. So मैं cash भी receive नहीं कर सकता. If we have received, uh, then department will make the 100% penalty on me, because उनका कहना है कि when you have promoted receiving cash, so it means कि cash money will circulate in the society, or it will create problem for government as well as you. PAN is mandatory. Without PAN, अगर आपने transaction किया तो 100% penalty है. Now, if your bill is the more than 2 lakh rupees, your bill is the more than 2 lakh rupees, तो आप 1 रुपया भी, suppose that your bill is the 2 lakhs 1,000, then every amount you have to pay through the bank, through UPI, through net banking, through debit card or credit card. You are not allowed to pay a single rupees in cash. Suppose that मैं एक watch purchase करने जाता हूँ, that watch is the cost of the 2 lakhs 10,000 rupees. Now I cannot make 10,000 as cash or 2 lakh rupees from debit or credit card. So that we have to understand. Okay, when we have to buy anything related that is the above 2 lakh rupees, so we cannot. Loan we cannot give to any person above 20,000 rupees in a single year. Suppose that I am providing the loan to Mr. X or Mr. Y, so I cannot provide loan to anybody more than 20,000 in cash. Through bank, through UPI, through net banking, through check, through DD, I can give loan to any amount. It can be 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 10 crore, but through check, through cash, I can give loan on only up to 20,000. Now, a department, why they are giving the notice to you? They compare with the last year income. Suppose that income tax department has read to my office, my home, and they have recovered 50 CR. 50 crore मेरे घर से मिलता है. And in the last ITR, I have disclosed only 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees as the income. They can ask simple question to me. Manish, you have in the last 4 years, you have the income of the only 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees. Now you are having the 50 CR. It means it is black money, or we will not listen your source of income, because आपका जो last activity था, that is a very ordinary, and now it is the 50 CR in your hand. आप department आए और अपना 100% penalty देके फ्री हो. तो 100% पेनल्टी जो कैश लेके जाएगा वो तो गया ही गया, उसके अलावा फिर आपको 100% और लगेगा, बिकॉज जीएसटी और एक्सवाइजेड नॉर्मल बैंकिंग ट्रांजेक्शन से वो कंपेयर करता है कि वेदर you are depositing cash on the regular basis or not. Suppose that department will say, आपके पास 50 करोड़ तो बैंक में आप पैसा क्यों नहीं जमा कर रहे हो भाई साहब? बैंक में in the last 2 and 3 years there is no cash deposit. Then they ask, it means कि you are receiving or you are occurring black money. So that kind of the thing we have to. अब नोटिस कैसे चेक कर सकते हैं? एसएमएस पर नोटिस आता है, ईमेल पर आता है, इनकम टैक्स पोर्टल पर आता है। और आइडेंटिफाई आपको अपना ट्रांजेक्शन करना है और आपको टैक्स पे किया है नहीं किया है, जब भी डिपार्टमेंट आएगा तो पेमेंट ऑफ टैक्स का प्रूफ पूछेगा। तो ये सब सारी चीजें हैं। अगर आपने रिटर्न पहले 5 लाख 10 लाख 20 लाख का भरा है, नाउ यू वांट टू रिवाइज एज अ अपडेटेड रिटर्न और यू वांट टू डिस्क्लोज योर इनकम बिफोर कि कोई डिपार्टमेंट आ जाए, आप तो आप उसको रिवाइज रिटर्न कर सकते हो, अपडेटेड रिटर्न कर सकते हो, रेक्टिफाई कर सकते हो। तो ये सब कुछ सिचुएशन है। और नाउ I will close, and in the next session we will discuss about how to resolve high value transaction. Now, if you have any question related to cash in hand or how you have to handle your cash, or if you have generated any cash, so how you can do. If you have any question, you are most welcome. And I will request to Samana ji कि आप live